So now let's see how we can work around with green screen settings to enable transparency in a video. So over here you can see that I have a video clip and I have another video clip on the top with a candle on green screen background right here. So this is actually a mirrors clip. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out right here. So I'm just going to cut this part out. So I only have the candle with green screen right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove out the green screen right here so that the green becomes transparent and I'm able to see the footage behind. So in order to work around with that, first of all, I'm going to select the clip and then I'm going to go around onto green screen right here. Once I do that, you can see that right now this is how it seems. So this is the green by default and it's not totally transparent. If I were to play this round, you'll be able to see that it is somewhat transparent. The green has become transparent, but it's not fully transparent. So what I can do is I can use this tool right here to take the color picker. I can go ahead and click, and what happens is that that color is picked up. So now what you can do is you can work around with the offset right here to increase the intensity of the transparency right here, like tolerance and everything right here. So you can go around, increase and decrease the tolerance right here. You can work around and increase the offset, as you can see right here, so that it is much more of a clearance right here. You can also go around with the edge thickness right here and the edge feather. One of the advantageous option that you have is off a channel. So in off a channel, you see the exact portion which is transparent. So black is the transparent one, while white is the opaque one, and these things, the grays area are the semi-transparent one. So what you want to do is reduce the semi-transparent areas as much as possible. So this is what the offset actually does. It brings back the green areas, as you can see. You can go around with the tolerance as well, and that is how it actually works like. So you can go around with the tolerance and reduce out the whites right there. You can reduce out the blacks, increase the whites, reduce the tolerance right here, and you can see that you can get close on to the area where this is white as much as possible right here. So you can bring up the whites right here. You can decrease out the tolerance right here just like this and work around with it. So you can go around just like this, and that is how it looks. So you can go around just like this, increase this around right here, and then go around and increase this as well. So you can see that once you arrange out the offset and tolerance, now these areas are totally white and so forth. So you can go around with the thickness as well. So as you increase out, so that is the thickness, you can decrease out the thickness right over here as well. So now you can also make it much more smoother by using the edge feather or by not using it, as you can see. So once you turn off the alpha channel, you can see that this is how it actually looks like. So you can make it smoother right here. You can work around with the edge thickness right here, and then you can work around with the feather right here, and that is how it looks. So if you were to press the play button, you can see that this is how it looks now. So you can see that the candle footage is there, and then the candle footage is there, and the green has become transparent so that you can see the background quite clearly. And that is how you can use the chroma key inside of Filmora to make the background transparent. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.